ATN.
Time is precious. Time is money. And this is the time for Money Talk on Atlantic Television Network. On ATN Business today, the stock exchange bullish trends prompt gains of 26 billion naira. In foreign exchange, naira continues a downward trend against the dollar. Tariff.
So no agreement with the EU, but
Every day, our lives are changed by history.
We are one people, all of us.
Leaders, politics,
Nobody's ambition is what they blood.
I have fought very firmly.
natural occurrence. ATN covers it all on ATN Politics today.
After days of sustained bearish trading, the Nigerian exchange recorded a 0.05% increase in all-share index as investors gained 26 billion naira. The local bourse had been on a bearish run for days, and which has seen the major indices fall below milestones surpassed earlier in the year. And this is caused by the sell-offs and waning interest. The release of corporate earnings and announced fresh banking sector recapitalization exercise have not reignited interest in the markets. At the close of Thursday's trading, the all-share index inched up by 48 basic points to settle at 98,169 points. Similarly, the market capitalization appreciated by P ratio showed a significant upward trajectory, rising from 20% in 1995 to 31% in 2022 before falling back to 29% in 2023 as goods trade declined in value in terms of the balance of payment basis, the report stated. It added that the tariffs had been declined and marked under the World Trade Organization, helping to reduce trade costs. According to the reports, this trade growth has coincided with a significant decrease in poverty worldwide, indicating the impact of trade on supporting economic development and improving people's lives. The World Trade Organization was launched 30 years ago to succeed the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, GATT, which mainly dealt with trade in goods. It was at creating a new global order based on openness, inclusivity, and cooperation. It also covers trade in services and intellectual property with the overall objective of helping its members use trade as a means to raise living standards, create jobs, and improve people's lives. The World Trade Organization economists forecast that the volume of world merchandise trade should increase by 2.6% in 2024 and 3.3% in. Organization Director General Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala said that we are making progress towards global trade recovery thanks to the resilient supply, chains and a solid multilateral trading framework, which were vital for improving livelihoods and welfare. It's imperative that we mitigate the risks like geopolitical strife and trade fragmentation to maintain economic growth and stability. United States dollars depreciating to 1,309 naira per dollar at the official market and 1,420 naira at the parallel market, that's the black market. The new rate, which indicates a depreciation of 90 naira or 6.8% from 1,330 naira quoted by currency traders. On Wednesday, all markets operated 1,340 naira and sold it at 1,420 naira, leaving a profit margin of 80 naira. With the current exchange rate, the naira has lost 26 naira to 26.2% in 2 weeks when compared to 1,125 naira per dollar quoted on April the 12th, 2023 on the parallel market, popularly called the black market. On Monday, the Central Bank of Nigeria approved the allocation of $15 million to the central bank to 1,583 bureau de change operators. The move was popularly called the black market. On Monday, the Central Bank of Nigeria approved the allocation of $15 million to 1,583 BDC operators. The move was aimed at enhancing liquidity in the unofficial markets. The CBN, in a letter to BDCs, announced the allocation of 10,000 naira to operators across the country. An allocation comes at a rate of 1,021 naira per dollar, aimed at stabilizing the economy and the foreign exchange market, accessibility of foreign currency to eligible users. Don't forget, we are still open for advert placements, bookings, commercials, and you can still connect that with us and watch us on our ATN socials, Facebook and YouTube. Atlantis and stockbroker Garba Korufia, who was appointed a non-executive commissioner. Commenting on the appointments, the managing director of Author Stephen Assets Management, Tunde Omolegbe, said that the appointment of Dr. Agama, along with other board members of SEC, was well thought through and appropriate. Most of them are well-grounded capital market professionals with decades of